Hi, I'm Edgar Guzman, one of the application engineers here at Berkeley Nucleonics, and I'm excited to show you one of our brand new products, the 588B, which in this particular version is a 24 channel, and this one has Ethernet communications, but you can get, it comes with the standard USB RS-232, and then you get the optional Ethernet communication. So we're going to do an unboxing here. This is our very first one. It's the first ordered unit after our prototype unit. So, like all the rest of our DDGs, it'll come have the USB in here that has the manual. In this case, you would need a GUI because it's not usable for the front panel, given the amount of channels. And then we do include other literature as well as the calibration certificate. And as you can see, just standard packing. I'm going to take this up here. And you can see this guy here. You can take a look at the back. This is gate and trigger, as well as the clock input and output. And here's the communications. You can see USB, RS-232, Ethernet, and then all the channels, 1 all the way up to 24. We do have different versions of this with less channels, and I think we're working on one that has more channels, but so stay tuned on that one. Let me get this out of here. And as you can see with this particular unit, once I get it out of here, it has the rack mount. It is a fairly light. You can see me lifting it here, and it's got the rack mount, the ears. So this is a 2U, so it's designed to go in a rack, but it can also be used on the tabletop. And then here we have another trigger and gate, singular input, as well as a sync, and then the channels showing you whether they're enabled or disabled. So let's actually turn that on real quick, and I can show you. And this will also come with a power cable, depending on which region you're in. This one's, obviously US. Let me plug it in and turn it on. When you have AC power, the BNC logo will light up. That does not mean the unit is on. To turn it on, you need to power it up. BNC will flash, and then the channels will go through their checks to make sure they're operating. And then when all channels light up and the run light turns red, you'll know that it's fully booted. So like I said, this needs to be done through remote communications, and then you can program all the channels. It has the standard multiplexer that our 500 series all have. And then when you can run it, and the light will turn green. So depending on how many channels you need, give us a call, shoot us an email, and we can talk about your different applications and whether a product like this or something we have in the pipeline could be beneficial to you in the future. Thank you.